Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to earn money from the comfort of your home. In these times when remote work and online opportunities are on the rise, we will explore various ways to make money without leaving your house. Whether you're looking for extra income or a primary source of earnings, this video will provide you with valuable ideas and advice to get started. One of the most popular ways to earn money from home is through freelancing and remote work. You can offer your skills on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Whether it's graphic design, writing, programming, or marketing, there is a high demand for online services. Another lucrative option is e-commerce. You can sell physical or digital products on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. You can even create your own online store. The key is to find a niche market and offer quality products. If you're passionate about a particular topic, consider starting a blog or a YouTube channel. As your audience grows, you can earn money through advertising and collaborations with brands. Consistency and high-quality content are crucial. Another way to grow your money from home is through investments in financial markets. You can explore stock trading, forex, or even invest in cryptocurrencies. However, keep in mind that investments come with risks, so make sure to educate yourself properly. If you're an expert in your field, consider offering online courses or consulting services. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to create and sell courses. Online consulting is also a lucrative option for sharing your knowledge. Effective time management is essential when working from home. Set a schedule, eliminate distractions, and stay disciplined. Use productivity tools to stay focused and organized. Don't underestimate the power of online networking. Join online communities, attend webinars and virtual conferences, and build professional relationships. Often, business opportunities come from strong connections. In summary, earning money from home is an achievable reality in the digital age. Opportunities abound, but they require effort, dedication, and focus. Find the strategy that best suits your skills and financial goals, and keep learning and growing on your path to financial success from home. Thank you for joining us in this video on how to earn money from home. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content related to entrepreneurship and personal finance. Do you have questions or suggestions? Leave them in the comments. Until the next home-based business opportunity.